3 interviews within a week. Tell me what little YouTuber can request me for a video interview, then be touching my boobs, kissing me on my face, like that's belittling my image. That don't look right. And what? She don't want to hear that. The drinking and the club hopping and chill. And everything, and it's been a good couple of months. It's been a good couple of months. It's really been a good couple of months, and then she want to bring shit to the media, want to do all this extra shit, and it's just not cute. Because a lot of people been warning me about this fucking female. A lot of fucking people, and I did not care about what the fuck they said. I was riding with her through every fucking thing. Her birthday, my outfit wasn't even fucking ready. I spent $1,500 for my outfit in less than 6 fucking hours. Flew to New York for my outfit, spent right back, and spent my last that day on her birthday gift. Bitch ain't appreciate shit. She ain't even getting me nothing for my birthday, but I got her something for her birthday because I'm a real fucking bitch. I'm just that friend. I'm just that friend. And I'm just being honest.
I feel
her
like
fans are gonna ride with her because they're her fans, but they know this bitch is fucking wrong. Everybody fucking warn me about this bitch. They know she's fucking wrong, but because she's a stand-up comedian or entertainer, whatever the fuck she is, they're just gonna ride with her, and it's cute. I said, tag me in. You know what she gonna text me, Kyle?
What?
You home? I said, yeah. I'll be there Wednesday. So what if I'm not home Wednesday? What's gonna happen? Come now. Book a ticket and come now. Because before the media shit, I've been texted you that I'm pulling up to Atlanta to fucking fight, and you ignored it. You didn't say nothing. So why all of a sudden you're bad now? Shit don't make sense. I didn't want to bring none of this extra shit to the media.
Like, this shit.
And I don't give a fuck if Nas wants to or whatever, because at the end of this day, she said she pulling up to Miami. I live in Miami. This is where I live at. This is where I lay my head at. I don't give a fucking fuck.
Bro, this shit didn't have to be.
She mad because, you know what's crazy? Like, I really fucking know this girl. This girl was fucking good. Like, but everybody good until they're not, right? Everybody good until they're not. When I tell you I follow this girl up and down, basically I was this girl's security because that's how she treated me, because she don't give a fuck about nobody but herself. And you see it, Kyle. You've been there firsthand. This bitch don't give a fuck about nobody but herself.
This shit is crazy. Because I was just trying to get a good night's rest. I was just trying to get
And you know what's crazy? Somebody said, oh, it's because of Nas EBK. No, it's not because of that. Because my thing is this. You come from Texas and you're living in Atlanta. All right, cool, chill. You've been to New York.
Your friend over there, man.
Cool. But hear me out. Hear me out. No, wait. Hear me out. Because no, Kyle, you got to ignore the comments because people are going to say what they want to fucking say. But hear me out. She run to fucking New York, right? And I was there when this New York saga began. I was there. Nas was there. Dougie was there. The first night we met Nas and Dougie them, she ran to fucking Dougie like she known him since forever. The same night she put Dougie's name in a song, and that's a little after she got the DDD tattooed over her brow. Dougie looked at fucking or his friends and said he don't know if he should take this bitch serious because she going Vaughn crazy, and I look up to Vaughn. Like, I don't even know what the fuck, you know what I'm saying, to do right now, whatever. So you start talking to her, everything cool, everything cute. This girl, you see the interview with Dougie and Nas EBK that she was sitting in?
Mm-hmm.
She was forcing me to be in that interview. I'm like, what the fuck I'm gonna be in the interview? I don't really know these people. I don't fucking know these people.
All right.
You can ask them. I kept my mask on the whole fucking time, and I sat over in the fucking corner. Why am I gonna sit in these people interview and I don't know them? At the time, right. I didn't know Dougie and Nas at the time. I really fucking didn't. So I'm like, why are you forcing me to sit in the fucking interview and I don't fucking know these people yet? Like, it's just mad fucking weird. She in there counting the money, acting like she know. Oh, now come sit down, Jada. Come sit down, Jada. Come sit right here on the couch. I'm not fucking sitting right there on the fucking couch. I'm not fucking doing it. All right, we'll do a thing. We're gone. Slim down to no, because I'm not gonna go into all the extra shit. Because with me, certain things gonna go to the grave. And I realized with her, once something don't sit right with her, she run to the media and then just start say certain things that don't even make fucking sense. But I'm not gonna fucking lie on nobody's name. I don't need to. Cause she
Right.
fucking know what's up with me. I was this bitch bodyguard. I would really fuck her up, and she fucking know. She didn't treat me like a friend. I fucked her as a fucking friend. I fucked her the whole time as a fucking friend. She fucking did not. And all her fans sucking her dick can suck my dick. I really don't give a fuck. Now said she not DOA. She mad. This bitch couldn't even sleep last night. We woke up to new tweets. Oh, I bought you this. All sorts of capping, all sorts of lying, but it's like all of that because he says you're not DOA. That's weird. You was just Queen Von, now you Queen of Drill. There's real drill bitches in New York that'll really do it to you. Like they will really fucking do it to you. It's not a fucking game. And I'm not coming out here screaming and doing all that extra shit. That
Because it's not needed. Because it's like,
it's not needed. It's
why
not
does he
needed.
the internet for?
And
Like, why does he
it's
even
really
reach
not
it?
fucking needed. And I don't really care what. And I swear to God, I don't really care what is what. Because everybody around this girl falling out with this girl over similar things, and it's fucking sad. You can name none of my best friends, my good friends that I fell out with. I don't have no best friends that I fell out with ever in a million fucking years. Never. And I've been told her 2 months ago, I want to fucking fight. I'll come to Atlanta right now. I know where you live at. Your Addy is still in my notes, bestie. You forgot? Bestie, she was bestieing me the whole time. Whole fucking time.
No way you
This line hiding shit from me,
bro.
using me the whole time to back her up, come with me with this and that as her fucking sidekick. And if I don't come, she mad. Like I couldn't have a fucking what? I couldn't have a life of my fucking own. I remember on fucking Valentine's Day, we was in New York, bro. She was ducking Dougie because she went behind his back and do a song with his cousin. I'm like, bro, why would you do that? That's kind of like funny, like it's weird. Then she did a song with Nas. Then she did a song with Sheemy. Then she did a song with the op nigga. What's his name? Busy Banks. Then she did a song. Ooh, the list, the fucking list. Every other week, it's a new little like chill.
Bro, I just feel like we were warned, and because we are the type of people to give people the benefit of the doubt, you know, I
don't have no best friend that I ever fell out with.
We just
ever
said
in a million fucking years, and I'm not a yes bitch. I really fucking know this girl. This girl was fucking good. Like, but everybody good until they're not, right? Everybody good until they're not. When I tell you I follow this girl up and down, basically I was this girl's security because that's how she treated me because she don't give a fuck about nobody but herself. And you see it, Kyle. You've been there firsthand.